Hi Dita.
Hai Kak.
Okay, Dita. So you were selected to speak with me today because you meet my research criteria as research subject, and my research aims to find out how you respond to the implementation process of several learning activities implemented by Miss Pipi during tree meeting last week.
Oke.
For your information, Dita, that's in this interview, I have several questions and you may answer the question by using the language you feel comfortable with. You can use full English, mixed English, and Indonesian or full Indonesia.
Baik Kak.
Okay, are you ready for starting the interview?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, the first question. Based on your participation in 3 Miss PP English learning class meeting last week, what material topic have you studied?
How to make a descriptive paragraph.
Okay, how did you feel after attending in 3 Miss PP English learning class meeting last week?
I feel happy and enjoy
Why did you feel happy and enjoy Dita?
because Mr.
Mm-mm.
Vivi explained by asking the practice and not make boring.
Okay, I see. So now I will ask you about several activity in 3 Miss PP English learning English class meeting last week.
What is that?
Do you remember at 3 meeting last week there was an activity that's divided the paragraph into several parts. Divided the paragraph topic into several parts by creating keywords related to the topic paragraph.
Oh iya, I remember Kak.
Okay, what do you think about these activities?
Maksudnya gimana ya Kak?
Jadi maksud dari pertanyaan itu kayak gimana sih tanggapan, pendapat, atau perasaan kamu pas tahu dan juga melakukan kegiatan yang disebutkan tadi. Apa itu kegiatan yang membosankan kah, mudah kah, sulit, menyenangkan atau gimana?
Oh, paham Kak.
So, what do you think about these activities?
For me, it's easy and not difficult.
Why did you say that this activity are easy and not difficult?
Karena cuma memecah topik jadi beberapa bagian yang emang masih dekat dengan topik. Jadi bukan sesuatu yang sulit sih.
Okay, the next activity, searching and determining pattern for each keyword. Jadi dalam kegiatan ini kalian mencari dan menentukan pola atau informasi berupa hal-hal yang berhubungan dengan setiap keyword dan kemudian disusun dalam kalimat sebagai bagian development atau supporting sentence. So what do you think about this activity, Zita?
For me, this activity is quite difficult.
Oh yeah, what did you think it is quite difficult? Why?
Yeah, because the activity is complicated and make me feel confused. I don't know why when I think more and more about this activity, I almost feel confused. Until how many more Mr. Vivi explained to me, but I still confused.
Okay, so now we move to the next activity. These activities are removing and replacing repetitive word or sentence that are unnecessary or unrelated to the topic of paragraph before the sentence combined into paragraph. What do you think about this activity?
I like and enjoy when I do this activity.
Can you tell me your reasons?
I like and enjoy the activity because this is easy to understand and to do. Di kegiatan ini tuh kita nyari kata berulang dari kalimat yang udah dibuat sebelumnya. Baru habis itu kita hapus dan gabungin semua kalimat jadi satu kalimat yang mencakup semua pola dari masing-masing kata kunci.
Okay, so you mean this activity doesn't make you feel confused as the activity before?
Yes, this activity not make me confused.
Okay, so now we jump to the last activities. Applying, composing, and organizing descriptive paragraph by inserting topic point based on a paragraph structure that have been arranged with keyword and pattern sequentially. There are 3 sequence. Yang pertama itu ada inserting the main sentence, supporting sentence, and the last one is conclusion sentence. So what do you think about these activities?
Ini tuh yang dilakukan di akhir itu ya Kak?
Ya, benar. Jadi setelah membagi topik menjadi beberapa keyword, menentukan polanya, kemudian menyusun dan menggabungkan beberapa kalimat dari masing-masing keyword, kamu melakukan kayak kegiatan menyusun dan memasukkan kalimat utama, kalimat supporting dari masing-masing keyword, dan kalimat kesimpulan menjadi satu paragraf satu persatu secara berurutan mulai dari kalimat utama, supporting, dan conclusion.
Iya benar, berarti yang terakhir.
So what do you think about these activities?
For me, this activity is the important part.
Can you give me your reason?
Yes, my reason is because this activity is the final part of making descriptive paragraph. I just put a sentence to be one paragraph and it is not difficult and not make confused.
Okay, so you mean that when you do these activities, you feel that it's such as important part that is it easy to do and it doesn't make you feel confused.
Overall, yes, it is an important part that easy to do and don't make me feel confusion.
Okay, so last question, Gita. After following all these activities, how is your opinion regarding the process of creating descriptive paragraph using Miss Bibi method?
For me, Mr. Vivi method is something new and good to us.
To us or to use?
To use.
Okay, so why?
Karena jujur aja Kak, saya baru tahu metode pembuat paragraf dengan cara ini. Dan for me, it's good to use because can help us in making a good paragraph.
Okay, I think enough for this interview today. Thank you for your answer, Dita.
Sama-sama Kak.
Okay.